Today, we're covering statute-barred debts. What are they, how limitation periods work, and what you can and can't do to collect them under Australian law. A statute-barred debt is a debt where the legal time limit to take legal action has passed. In most Australian states and territories, that's 6 years from when the cause of action arose. In the Northern Territory, it's only 3 years. Once the period expires, a creditor can't use the courts to enforce payment. So when does the cause of action accrue? Generally, in contract law, it's the time of breach, for example, when a payment is missed. But if the debt is repayable on demand, for example, no repayment terms, the clock starts from when the money was loaned, not when someone fails to pay. There are ways the limitation period can be restarted, what the article calls a fresh accrual of action, if the debtor acknowledges the debt or if they make a payment towards it. In Queensland, under Section 35 sub 3 of the Limitation of Actions Act, either will reset the 6-year countdown. The acknowledgement must be in writing and signed. But what about judgment debts? In Queensland, once a court judgment is made, the creditor generally has 12 years to enforce it, 6 years without the court's leave, and then a further 6 years with leave. Now, can you collect a statute-barred debt? Yes, under limited circumstances. You can accept voluntary payments towards the debt, or you can accept a written acknowledgement of the debt. If you get one of those, then you have a fresh accrual of action from that date. So you may then be able to pursue legal debt recovery, but extreme care is needed. You mustn't mislead the debtor about the legal status of the debt, and you can't threaten legal action if that action is no longer available. Actions like misleading, deceptive conduct or unconscionable behaviour can land you in serious trouble. The limitation period matters. Make sure you know where it starts and whether it's expired. A debtor's written acknowledgement of payment can reset the clock, even when the debt is statute-barred. You can accept payments, but be transparent. Avoid misleading statements. Reach out to our experienced team for a free 30-minute consultation with our debt recovery professionals and let us help you protect your rights.